And here you can see one that needs changing. The brass bit has pulled out from the plastic, and here's one that's still okay. So if you need to change this, sometimes the brass will be pulled out completely, it'll just be missing. So the best way to do it is to buy both of these parts because they're really cheap. So you've got a Torx, which you undo. That's a 20 Torx, size 20. So unscrew that. Remove the little claw thing, the metal claw. And the reason you buy a new one is because you don't know if that's going to be knackered, and it's so cheap you just buy it at the same time. And then this, you slide it out. So this has been damaged, the bolt has been done up too tight. So that's no good. So then you get your new one and you slide it in. It's got like channels so that it slides in. So that slides in fully home. Actually, I've just noticed that there's a little nodule there. So maybe that nodule goes in line with that. It would seem logical. I didn't realise that. Oh yeah. Even that one, see, it's got a little arrow that should point to the, I'm guessing, should point to that little indentation. I changed that one once before, like a year ago. So I never realised that. Okay, then you just put your claw back in and do it up, and then that's it. So you need these two parts. It's best to buy these both.